This is the Onyx Boox Lite. This is the latest release of an Onyx device in September of 2018. So we're going to go ahead and open this for the first time. We're just going to find a little bit of plastic on the corner here we can surgically remove. And sorry about the reflectivity, but this thing is wrapped in plastic. And we like to show you guys that we do indeed open this for the first time. We don't pre-use these devices or anything. Opened legit on camera. So let's explore the rest of the box here. They always have a very nice sleeve that come with their devices. High quality, really hard cardstock, and a lot of people say that might not matter, but it does matter because it really shows how far a company is willing to go, all the way down to the packaging. I have opened this upside down, so that's bad luck for the rest of the day. Time for the checklist. You get, of course, the Onyx Boox Note e-reader itself, a laser cut fit screen protector. Although it has the image of a USB and a stylus on it, you actually only get the USB cable. There doesn't come with a stylus with this model. And the warranty and documentation cards. This thing is a 10.3 inch, but it is extremely light. You can kind of suspend it by the very corner. It is not a flush screen and bezel. You have a little bit of a gap. There are no physical page turn buttons. There is a power/sleep button at the top with built-in status indicator. On the back, you do have stereo speakers, and this is good because you don't have a headphone jack. But they always put some Torx screw holes here if you ever need to crack this device open and service it. Don't recommend doing that yourself. You have USB-C, which is really, really cool. It gives you better data transfer, better charging speeds, and you can flip the cable either way. You don't have to always worry about the trapezoidal shape. And you have a microphone. It is not a hard reset button. And that's everything that comes in the box on the Onyx Boox Lite. If you guys have any other questions, let us know.